Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the statements on your Robinhood account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. I recently created my account, so it is still under the verification process. So in order to access all the features of Robinhood account, your account needs to be completely verified. Otherwise, you might not be able to see certain features. So make sure your account is completely verified in order to enjoy all the features and see all the options. After that, in order to view the statements, here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile page, you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. If you have your profile completely verified, see the options of statements and history over here. You'll see the option of statements and history in this menu page. You can simply tap on it, and that's how you can find your Robinhood account statements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.